Good morning, student. Today we will take the some questions of revision of arithmetic progression, which is in your syllabus for periodic 2. Let's see the some questions for you and some for homework. Like first question, if an is equal to 5n minus 7, find common difference. So, in this question you know that common difference is difference between any two consecutive terms like a2 minus a1 or a3 minus a2, any value you can take it. So, putting n is equal to 1 in this equation, so a1 will be equal to 5 into 1 minus 7, that is 5 minus 7 minus 2, n is equal to 2, a2 is equal to 5 into 2 minus 7, that is 10 minus 7 is 3. So, common difference is equal to a2 minus a1, therefore 3 minus 2, that is 3 plus 2 is 5. See the second question. Write next two terms of an AP root 3, root 12, root 27. So, you will write it two terms of it. So, it is root 3, it can be written as 2 into 2 into 3, and it is 3 into 3 into 3. So, root 3 it is pair, so become 2 root 3, it is also form a pair 3 root 3. So, you see common difference is a2 minus a1, that is 2 root 3 minus root 3, so it is root 3. So, next two terms are 3 root 3, this one plus common difference. So, it become 4 root 3, and it is written as 4 into 4 into 3, that is equal to 48, and 4 root 3 plus root 3, it become 5 root 3. So, it is written as 5 into 5 into 3, so it become root 75. So, these are the two next term of this AP. See the third question. Find the middle term of an AP 5, 6, 13, 20 and so on 216. First of all, we will find out the number of terms in given AP. Applying the formula, AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. A is what? A is 6, D is 13 minus 6, so 7, and AN is 216. Now putting the values in it, 216, 6, N minus 1 into 7, 216 minus 6 is equal to N minus 1 into 7, this 6 take on this side, so it will be minus, so it will be 210 is equal to N minus 1 into 7, 210 upon 7 is equal to N minus 1, so 30, and N is equal to 30 plus 1, that is 31. There are 31 terms. So middle term is 31 plus 1 upon 2, that is 32 upon 2, 16th term. So 16th term, A16 is equal to A plus 15D. A is 6 plus 15 into 7, 6 plus 15, 7 ja 105, so it become 111 is the answer. Now see the fourth question for revision. Which term of an AP 5, 15, 25 will be 130 more than its 31st term? Let A is 5, D is 15 minus 5, second term minus first term, that is 10. Let nth term is 130 more than 31st term. So AN is equal to A31 plus 130. So AN is equal to A31 plus 130. AN is A plus N minus 1 into D. A31 is A plus 30D plus 130. A is what? 5. You can cancel A and A. N minus 1, D is 10. 30 into 10 plus 130. N minus 1 into 10. 300 plus 130. N minus 1 into 10 is equal to 430. N minus 1 is equal to 430 upon 10, so it is equal to 43, and N is equal to 43 plus 1, that is 44th. So 44th term is 130 more than 31st term. Now see the homework. First question, find middle term of an AP 7, 13, 19 and so on to 35. Its answer you will check it. If you want to check, it will be 121. Second question, if 10th term of an AP is 52 and 16th term is 82, find the 32nd term and nth term. Their answer will be 162 and 5n plus 2. Third question, if ninth term of an AP is 0, prove that 29th term is double of the 19th term. And fourth question, which term of an AP 3, 10, 17 and so on will be 84 more than its 13th term. Thank you.